Megan,
What?
do you love your brother?
Yes.
Are you a good big brother?
Yeah. Hi. Hi, Casey.
Yeah? Don't touch his eyes.
Hi, Casey.
You rubbing his nose? Mommy used to do that to you when you were a baby.
Hi.
Have you been a good helper for Mommy? You've been a good helper for Mommy?
I have one person for the blinky.
Oh, okay. Have you been a good helper for Mommy? Yeah?
Hi. Hi,
Be
Casey.
gentle with your brother, huh?
Hi. You don't want to go in here?
No.